It is not only exhausting to drive to the gym every day, but it also costs a ton when you add up gas costs and gym memberships. But if you want to improve your physical health in the comfort of your home, a mini trampoline is your best bet. A mini trampoline is a scaled-down version of a conventional trampoline and is used in fitness routines that emphasize cardiac health since it raises heart rate while simultaneously putting less pressure on the leg joints. Unfortunately, many variants of mini trampolines are on the market, making it difficult to pick one for yourself. Luckily, this list will guide you on your way to a fun backyard with the top-rated mini trampolines of 2023. Number 1. Stamina Mini Trampoline. Are you looking to buy a mini rebounder that won't be heavy on your wallet? Then the mini trampoline by Stamina is the one for you. Thanks to its lightweight and foldable design, the rebounder is incredibly easy to store and transport. Standing out from its counterparts, this trampoline has 30 resistance bands instead of metal springs that do not produce too much noise when you are bouncing on them. It even features a fitness monitor that helps track how many calories you burned while exercising on the trampoline. The surface of this rebounder is constructed with a heavy-duty plastic polymer that will hold up through many fun-filled jumping sessions. This mini trampoline can sustain up to 250 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Number 2. Marcy Mini Trampoline. Marcy's mini trampoline is both compact and portable, weighing only 0.23 pounds. It slots into small spaces, and its foldability feature allows you to easily transport it from one location to another. The mini trampoline comes installed with a handlebar that you can lean on for increased balance, flexibility, and coordination. The Marcy Cardio Trampoline Trainer is both compact and portable. It is designed to fit small spaces in the gym or at home, and its convenient size lets you carry it from one spot to another without any hassle. This mini trampoline sets itself apart as far as durability is concerned. With 6 supporting legs and elastic rebound bands, not even 250 pounds is enough to collapse the mini trampoline, so you can perform the most challenging exercises without worrying. Let's not forget that Marcy offers a 90-day return guarantee, allowing you to swap your damaged trampoline without spending a dime. Number 3. Serene Life Mini Trampoline. This mini trampoline by Serene Life is made of high-quality materials to ensure a good bounce. Thanks to its heavy-duty polypropylene construction, the rebounder can even support up to 220 pounds, making it perfect for any fitness exercise. For added safety, the trampoline also comes equipped with a padded safety handle to provide comfort to your hands and is adjustable to fit your height. Serene Life Trampoline is both portable and foldable. Easy folding and designed to fit small spaces in the gym or at home. Its convenient size lets you carry it from one spot to another without any hassle. Thanks to its foldable design, you can easily transport this trampoline wherever you want. Not just that, the rebounder is also easy to assemble and even comes with a guidebook to assist you in case you run into any confusion while setting it up. Number 4. JumpSport Mini Trampoline. You'll be jumping for joy after you purchase the JumpSport Mini Trampoline. This fitness trampoline from JumpSport provides a low-impact exercise that's perfect for beginners, older people, those with knee injuries, and those simply looking to add some fun to their workout. The 35.5-inch jumping surface can fit 2 little kids or 1 adult to bounce around and have a good time. The smart design of 30 durable elastic cords creates a quiet, cushioned bouncing experience, so you won't wake up your partner if you're trying to get an early morning workout session in. High quality in every way, the elastic cords are highly advanced bungee cords that can stretch 2 times their resting length. The mini trampoline package also includes an extended free trial to JumpSport Fitness TV, so you can get workout ideas and follow along with trainers. The mat extension skid and pedal designs prevent you from stepping on the uncomfortable cords while the legs of the trampoline are stable enough for you to use it for years to come. Number 5. Bcan Mini Trampoline. Bcan's mini trampoline is a prime representation of what this item should be like. Built with high-quality springs, this mini trampoline is not only durable but also allows you to execute a variety of exercises. The waterproof rubber mat includes a robust elastic recovery mechanism and offers plenty of traction, making jumping safe for children over 6. The trampoline even comes with an adjustable handle that you can set up so your children can grip it any time they need a little support. For added safety and comfort, the rebounder comes equipped with a ring of padding over the springs so that you don't have to worry about hurting your feet. And thanks to its foldable design, the trampoline can be conveniently stored anywhere you want. Because of its adjustable safety handle and waterproof mat, The mini trampoline from Bcan is rated as the best overall on this list.